Hey guys, imagine this. A mouse that not only dominates in your favorite MMO but also acts as your ultimate control center for streaming and productivity. Meet the Corsair Scimitar Elite Wireless SE, a gaming mouse that doubles as a stream deck. Now picture yourself in the heat of an intense raid. You need precision, speed, and seamless command over every action. The Scimitar Elite Wireless SE sports a 33,000 dpi Marksman S optical sensor, giving you pinpoint accuracy. Plus, with its ultra-responsive slipstream wireless technology, lag is a thing of the past. And let's not forget the iconic 12-button key slider trademark, now adjustable to fit your hand perfectly. Execute complex combos with ease and comfort, thanks to its ergonomic design and ring finger rest. But here's the game changer. This mouse isn't just about gaming. It's a powerhouse for streamers and content creators too. Thanks to the native Elgato Stream Deck integration, those 12 side buttons transform into your control center. Imagine switching scenes in OBS, muting your mic on Discord, or triggering sound effects, all without lifting your hand from your mouse. The seamless integration with Elgato's virtual Stream Deck means you can access even more controls right on your screen. It's like having a Stream Deck built into your mouse. Let's dive into some real-world use cases. You're in the middle of an epic boss fight, and with a single button press, you can activate your ultimate ability, switch to a different scene on OBS to show your reaction, and clip the moment all at once. Or say you're editing a video. Use those same buttons to execute complex macros in Adobe Premiere or Photoshop, launch apps, and streamline your entire workflow. The Scimitar Elite Wireless SE gives you unmatched versatility and control. And it doesn't stop there. Packed with advanced features like up to 150 hours of battery life on 2.4 GHz wireless, Corsair optical switches rated for 100 million clicks, and compatibility with Corsair's ICUE software for full customization. This mouse is built for endurance and peak performance. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a dedicated streamer, or a productivity ninja, the Corsair Scimitar Elite Wireless SE is designed to elevate your entire digital experience. It's not just a gaming mouse. It's your command center, your game changer, your stream deck. Ready to revolutionize your setup? Go to Corsair to learn more about this amazing mouse. Unlock new levels of efficiency, control, and creativity with the Scimitar Elite Wireless SE. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and epic gear.